What's up, guys? Just made it to Orlando, Florida for round 3 of Formula Drift. This year I opted out of most of the Formula Drift rounds, but I volunteered to go to this one to help out with the team because we had a kind of a hard situation where one of our guys wouldn't be there that's normally there. So I volunteered to step in, come down here and help the team. This weekend will probably just be a bunch of video of just kind of some behind the scenes stuff, talking to some of the drivers, just kind of a look at what I do while at Formula Drift, just to give you guys a little insight on kind of what my Formula Drift weekends used to be when I used to come every time. So I'll catch up with you guys when we get to the track, and I'll see you there. And Florida is hot as hell. Link tech support, dude. What do you think? Is it beatable?
Get her done.
Is it beatable? What time is it?
Unbeatable.
You got your phone time?
12:56 a.m.
Doesn't matter what time it is. We still get the job done.
We out here.
24 hours a
We out
day,
here.
6 days a week. Always on it. So we're right behind the scenes right now. We got Brendan.
Yo!
Hey, what are you doing over here?
Just making it start, nice.
All right, getting it ready to go out for practice. 2:30. Got the Talaska rig over here. Make sure you go. Need any of your printing needs, t-shirts, anything, hit this man up. Blank canvas. And we got Misco over here. Somehow we made it out here. I don't know how.
Yeah.
How do you make it out here? Where's Tyson at? That's what everybody wants to know.
Make-A-Wish Foundation.
All right, we're dying. It's like 97 degrees and like 100% humidity. It's pretty awful. So I don't know how much I'm actually gonna film. Oh, what's up? Back to the same old bullshit here in the garage. No fun stuff, that's for sure this time. Pulling the soft top out because I'm sick of that soft top being super cut up and worrying about it every time I go to the track and worrying about the rain or whatever if I'm on the way to or from the track or at the track. That other top has such big holes in it you can stick your whole thigh through it. Big old chicken leg. So I've had another top for a while now, and I've been dreading doing this because it sucks to do. But I just got the old top out, and the new ones right here, we got to swap over some of the seals that are on the old one still over here onto this one. But we're going to get this one in the car and hopefully not have a leaky top anymore. So I got the soft top in, and they weren't kidding when they said this job sucks, but it's all in. Seals get up on the top here. No rips, finally, since the first time ever owning this car. I don't have a rip soft top. I still got to put some of the interior back in, but I was waiting because I got some of my Amazon packages because I like to bump when I'm drifting. So I got this, it's a S2000 trunk well. It's built for the spare tool tray that usually goes in this like recessed hole in the trunk. So they make a sub box to fit a 12 or a 10 inch. I got a 12-inch one. Maybe thinking I should have got a 10-inch because the internal side of the box or inside of the box is pretty small. So I don't know how good it'll sound. I got a new amp. So we got to wire all that stuff up. Sorry I didn't video much of the soft top. It was a pain in the ass, and I really just wanted to get it done. It's raining out. It's hot, sweaty, and dirty. I think I'm probably going to call it a day. Sorry I didn't film more at Formula Drift. I planned on filming more, but the weather was also brutal there. It was 97 degrees every day, almost 100% humidity. We even had a tornado warning during like the final 8 for pro. So it got pretty wild. We had a bunch of random thunderstorms, and I just didn't end up filming as much as I wanted to. I was just hot and miserable, so sorry about that. If I go to another event this year for work, I will film more of it for you guys. But until next time, I'll see you guys soon. Have a good one.